Ever wondered why your mechanical keyboard feels so satisfying to type on? It's not just the sound, it's the magic of mechanical switches. Cleaning your mechanical keyboard is easier than you think. Start by taking a photo of your keyboard layout. Remove the keycaps and soak them in warm soapy water for 30 to 60 minutes, ensuring they're fully immersed. While the keycaps soak, use compressed air and a moist cloth to clean the keyboard, avoiding any liquid contact with the circuit board. After drying the keycaps overnight, reassemble your keyboard and enjoy the refreshed typing experience. Stay tuned for more tech tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.